GIF Insight Project Overview, an AI-powered GIF recommendation system presented by Davian Brooks. Project goals: simplify GIF giving and enhance personalization through intelligent automation. It's an AI-powered GIF recommendation platform for occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, and retirements. It integrates with major social media platforms to analyze behavioral patterns, preferences, and trends. Connects with e-commerce applications to provide real-time personalized gift suggestions. Key features of GIF Insight is the recipient profile creation and management, social media and digital calendar integration, smart gift suggestion engine using behavioral and sentiment analysis, secure user authentication and data privacy measures, in-app gift tracking and purchasing functionality. For the software requirement specification, which defines what the system should do and give clear functional specs, we have the functional requirements. First, we have the user account management, which is a secure sign up or login with email or open authorization, such as a Google, Facebook, or Apple account, password reset, multi-factor authentication, and account updates or deletion. We have the recipient profile management, which is create or manage recipient profiles with details such as birthday or interest, etc. Import or export profiles and log gift history. We have the calendar integration, which sync events with Google or Apple Calendar, set reminders, and view events on the calendar. Social media analysis, link social media accounts to analyze recipients' preferences, extract trends and sentiments for better suggestions. You have the gift recommendation engine, AI generated suggestions based on profile or events, filter options and feedback loop for improvements. We have gift history and purchasing, track purchase gifts and manually log others. There's a buy now link for e-commerce platforms. Notifications, which are the reminders via email, text, or push notification. Smart alerts for trends and gift ideas. We have the non-functional requirements. For the performance, we need fast response, less than 3 seconds, supports over 1,000 users, and quick page loads. For security, it will have strong encryption, access control, and be regulation compliant. For usability, it needs to be accessible, quick onboarding, and user-friendly help. For scalability, it grows easily, handles large data and traffic. For reliability, 99.9% uptime, daily backups, quick disaster recovery. For maintainability, it's modular code, well tested, continuous integration or continuous deployment ready. Localization, it's English ready, regional pricing support. For the software design document, which is the detail of the software components and data flow and architecture. Here's an overview of the GIF Insight for all its components and how they are connected. It is architecture design, the front end, which is web and mobile applications, back end, which includes AI database recommendation engine, the profile manager, application program interface, or the API gateway, social media analyzer, etc. For database, we have the various databases that will be used, such as Redis for cache, Mongo database for gifts or events. External interfaces, such as a social media platform, calendars, e-commerce, APIs, notification, Stripe. Design will be a layered architecture which enables modular and testable service development. Here is an overview diagram of the system design for GIF Insight. Now for the design decisions, there's the microservices architecture. This enables scalable, modular, and fault-tolerant services. There's a hybrid database which uses the PostgreSQL for structured data, the Mongo database for unstructured data, the front-end stack which uses React for the web application, Flutter for the mobile, which is cross-platform support. For recommendation logic, it combines sentiment analysis and collaborative filtering. The API styles choose REST for the simplicity and caching, and version control over GraphQL. For the software test document, which is the test plan, the procedure, and cases, it ensures quality and coverage for the GIF Insight system. The test plan, the main goal was to verify that the GIF Insight meets the requirements. The pass criteria, all critical tests pass, no blockers. For the pause or resume, we stop. For crashes or outages, resume once they're fixed. The features that were tested were the user registration and authentication, social media account linking and syncing, recipient profile management, gift recommendation logic, calendar event integration, notification delivery, and the admin dashboard. Features not tested, unfortunately, were the internal AI model training, third-party service availability, payment gateway. For the test approach, we used various test approaches, the unit test, integration, system testing, also used black box and white box. The test results, where the various aspects were tested, such as user registration, sentiment-based gift recommendation, user logging with valid credential and valid email format, recommendation without link to social media, password reset requests, simultaneous multiple registration. These all pass, which is very good. There were, however, some defects detected. Defects were detected with the calendar API and also delay in trend detection, which need to be further investigated and corrected. The traceability matrix, which ensures what was tested, is covered by the requirements needed for the GIF Insight system. So we did test and it was covered that the user account registration functionality is covered, user authentication and login, input validation for registration, GIF recommendation system without social media was covered, sentiment analysis and GIF recommendation was covered, and concurrent user registration handling was covered, and these all passed. So in conclusion, GIF Insight passed most test cases and is ready for production. There are, however, some minor calendar sync issues that needs to be tracked and scheduled to be fixed. All major functional and non-functional requirements are met. Key strengths of the application or the system is accurate recommendation, smooth login, strong validation, and it's stable under load. So this concludes my presentation on the GIF Insight application. Thank you.